Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today we're going to show you how to marinate a whole chicken and put it in the freezer. Freeze it forever you want to use it at home. First of all, I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of paprika all over the chicken. 1 teaspoon of chicken season. That's chicken season right there. Nice and lovely. Just to get the flavor of the chicken season. This is ginger and garlic and pimento blend up together. Put a ½ teaspoon. And also we're going to put some garlic and coriander season. 1 large teaspoon. I might put a little bit more of the paprika. Just another teaspoon. That's so far. We don't need any more season because we're not using too much of these artificial season. Second thing, some grounded pepper, some coarse pepper. And also some natural season now. Roughly 6 cloves of garlic. Piece of a ginger. Very finely cut up. And some white onion. The natural seasoning which is going to give it the flavor what you're looking for. Straight inside of it. And also some spring onion. That's beautiful spring onion. I got some thyme, but I don't. If I'm gonna use thyme, I would use some nice, lovely, fresh thyme. My one is a little bit dried up. So if you got thyme at home and you want to use your thyme, please do use your thyme what you have at home, guys, to marinate your chicken. All right. Second thing, we're gonna put some oil. Roughly 2-3 tablespoons of oil. So that's the oil I put on it. These are just ideas, guys, what you can do at home to marinate the chicken and make your chicken come out really lovely and nice. Just rub up your chicken like this. All of those seasonings we should just put on it. Just rub it up. So just make you guys know that you can marinate your chicken and put it down for a week or 2 weeks before you even use it. Put it in your freezer. Put some of these down inside of the stomach. This is a whole chicken and you can roast it inside of your oven. So when we're gonna roast the chicken, what we don't normally do, we don't normally put a lot more stuff to it and all these things. So, and make sure you wash your chicken with lemon juice or white vinegar. So as you can see, then next thing what we're gonna do is to make you guys know that this is very important. I've got some butter which I'm gonna use. This is what normally Chef Ricardo do with the butter from now. You can also freeze it with the butter, and that's fine. So as you can see the amount of butter which I'm using at the moment on it. So I'm just gonna rub up some butter on it like this. And this is some unsalted butter. So as you can see, I just rub it up with all that lovely butter, and I make the butter gonna be also cooked with it. So guys, it's just ideas and ways what you can do. So what the butter will do now, we give it a nice, lovely, crispy, make the skin on the outside of it really crispy and the inside just cook nice and lovely and tender. So as you can see, exactly what you're all about. So nice and lovely. So hopefully you guys like the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. And that's one of the #1 way or you can marinate your chicken with some butter and marinate it with some season. See you next time and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Bye bye.